exclusive and exciting ideas for affiliate marketers. Yes, it's true, nobody really wants to think about having an affiliate marketing plan that hurts their business's reputation. It involves thinking about problems with your business. Still, it's important to know what kind of plan you need to be better prepared for promoting your business through the use of affiliates. That's what the tips below are for. To sign the best contract possible, review it carefully before signing. Some companies might ask you not to sell anything else outside of their products. This will eventually keep you from earning more money, and you will find yourself tied to one program that you might not be satisfied with. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, choose items that sell for high prices over low-priced products. While this seems counterproductive at first, the effort it takes to market each of these items is the same, so it makes more sense to promote a product that will earn you more. When selecting your channels and establishing affiliates, try different types to see which are the most effective. When you compare the results coming from different channels, you will start to see what types of channels bring you the most business, and which ones are just mediocre. You want to retain the ones who are making the most money for you. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program, and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. You need your readers to trust you. Your readers will search for and click referral links if they like your content well enough to make a purchase. See, it wasn't nearly as bad as you thought it would be, thinking about a team of affiliates who can help your business prosper. Online businesses can have a poor team of affiliates that can hurt sales and lose customers. Do yourself a favor and follow those above tips to create a better affiliate marketing plan. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.